Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Brussels Motor Show taking a look at the new Mazda 6e. The car has got the premiere here and it looks gorgeous. Let's start here on the front. You can see the beautiful lights. Look at the main units down there and then the beautiful illuminated front grille. Overall, very sporty and distinctive look. And also I love the pronounced bumper as well. So this is the electric car. Two battery sizes are available, 68.8 kilowatt hour one or the 80 kilowatt hour one. The car is the rear wheel drive model, so the rear wheel drive layout of the car, and the length is 4 meters 92.1 centimeters. It sits on the 19-inch wheels. Look at the attention to details here, and then the dimension of the tires, 245, 45 are 19. Gloss black wheel arches, and you see also gloss black details in the lower section of the bumper, and also of course here on the side skirts that are very pronounced, and you can also notice the Mazda lettering on this gloss black part attached on the front door. The mirrors look like a piece of art. Look at this. And then also here probably for the aerodynamics, and you have also the cameras. And let me show you the side profile. So again, 4 meters 92.1 centimeters is the length of the car. You can see very dynamic C-pillar on the car, and also this extra window in here. Chrome line emphasizing the vehicle's design language and the design lines. And now we come to the rear of the car. Look at this. How gorgeous does this look? So it's got the connected taillights emphasizing the width of the car, and then you have the Mazda lettering here in the middle, rear view camera, and 6E lettering. Gloss black lower section of the bumper, and let me show you from this angle, very pronounced shoulders, and I think this on the road will look so good. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts on the design from outside, and I think now we are ready to check out the interior. So the car is now closed, but I filmed details a few moments ago, so I will put the B-roll so that you can see. We have the digital cockpit in front of the driver and the main touchscreen in the middle. Lovely design for the seats, and again I will put the B-roll so you will be able to see it from inside as well. Driving range 552 kilometers with a bigger battery or 479 kilometers with a smaller battery. This gorgeous model will go on sale in Europe this summer. So share your thoughts with me. How do you like the car? And also do subscribe to the channel in order to see more. Right guys, that's it. The first review of the new Mazda 6e. Tell me in the comments how do you like it, and do subscribe to see more videos.